Hey, so if you want to find a home's estimated value online, you can easily check it using Zillow. It's called the Zestimate, and in this video, I'll show you exactly how to find it step by step. Alright, first, open Zillow on your browser or mobile app and make sure you're signed in, or you can continue without an account too. Now, use the search bar at the top and type in the address of the home you want to check. Once the results appear, click on the property listing to open the full details page. Now scroll a little down or look near the top of the listing page. You'll see the Zestimate section showing the estimated home value. You can also click on the Zestimate to see details like value range, price history, and market trends. Next, compare the Zestimate with nearby listings to get a better idea of the actual market value. If you want, you can save the property to track price changes over time. So, yeah, that's how you can find Zestimate on Zillow. It's a quick way to get a rough idea of a home's value in 2026. If this helped, feel free to check out more simple guides like this. Thanks for watching. Hey,